Here is the most effective and precise way to remove any background in Photoshop, so follow along. Drag and drop your image in and go to the left and choose the quick selection tool. Hit this drop down arrow and then press cloud. From here you can hit select subject, and if you didn't know, this actually creates a more effective selection around your subject. Go to the bottom and create a layer mask, and then go up and press select and mask. From here you can use the refine edge tool to go around the edge of your subject and to bring back any hairs or even remove anything that might be left in the background of your image. Once you've done this, go to the bottom right and hit OK, and then press B on your keyboard to activate the brush tool. Change the blending mode of your brush to overlay, and then when we paint around the edge of our subject here, it actually brings back the hair and increases the detail on our subject. Now press Ctrl G to create a group and drag our layer mask on top of this group. Once you've done that, select your image and create a new layer. Go to the left and choose the clone stamp tool and change the sample to current and below. Now you can paint around these black edges to create a more seamless transition between this selection, so if you enjoyed this, follow for more Photoshop tips.